What's up? So it is 7:14 in the morning. I'm about to go to this muffler shop. He told me I could come in, drop the car off at 7:30, and we'll go from there. I needed a price estimate, all that. He said it'll be like 110, but he told me to come in anyway today. Today was his only opening at the beginning of the hours. I don't even know how to say it. At the beginning of the hours, right when they open, 7:30, which I gotta leave right now. But yeah, so 110, I'm gonna get there, I'm gonna see what he can do. Hopefully he don't be like, drop it off and come back in a few hours, cause I can't. I'm taking myself. I don't have a ride, this is my ride.